Alright, I'm going to show you how to fix your dryer for free. First time my dryer went out, it was this little thermal fuse right here. You just got to take that screw off. Make sure you slide it out this way because there's a little tab on this other end. Anyway, this one was good, so tested it was 1.4 on the ohm meter, a little free meter from Harbor Freight. And anyway, tested all the parts here. These two were 1.4 also, 1.4 up here, and the two outer ones on this four binger is 1.4, and then these inside ones were like the low threes, 3.2, 3.3. Also on these two top ones will be 10.9, and like I said, that these two were 1.4. Also, I took off these lint thing contraption from the inside. You got to take off the two screws, slide it out. You have to take the two screws off of here. Don't drop them in there. And to get this thing off, I had to like push it up a little and get it past the lip down here, and then pull it out. And that's about it on this on the back here. The reason I say for free is because I got these off of other dryers I salted on the side of the road. Tested them. They're good. As you can see, I took off the cover already, so there's 10 screws on the top and the sides.